Okay, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna take off this bolt here. Let's put this to the side here. Okay, our pipe here should be coming out of the way really quick, just like that. After that, we're gonna take off, you're gonna pull this red tab here, and then you're gonna squeeze this, and you're gonna remove this connector, put it to the side. We got one bolt, two bolts on the opposite side, and we got some vacuum lines. Okay, so while we on this side, let's remove this 10 and this 10. Okay, come on. Ooh, that bolt is gonna fall. I don't like that when things get stuck like that. So let's put these up here. Let's go to the opposite side. We can put our tools here. We're gonna remove our step post here. And on this side, we got this little guy right here. Just push this off. It will come right off. It's held in by this little metal piece. And there's the same thing over here. This one over here is plastic, but it's the same thing. You can just push it off. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, there you go. Okay, that's out. Okay, so this is out. What we're gonna do is, this is out. This pipe, you push this baby, and you should be able to, if you push on this, push down on it, and we should be able to take out this pipe here. Let's put it to the side. Okay, the intake is almost ready to come out. Not the intake, just the upper half of it before the throttle body. Okay, I don't know if there's a strap there. Okay, nothing is there. So this baby comes right out. Our filter, not looking so bad. We got some leaves in there. We'll take that out. Anyways, what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean that throttle body really good. Okay, so you could do two things. Have somebody push the pedal for you, put the key on. I'm not sure if it's gonna open it. So what I like to do here is, with the key on, you're gonna have a check engine light after this if you don't have a check engine light on, because we disconnected these sensors, remember? We disconnected them. Since we're gonna put the key on, it's gonna detect, okay? So what we're gonna do is put this baby right here and watch this. Okay, see that? Let's get it to where we want it at, all the way down. It's not gonna go nowhere, okay? Now, got the stick off, stick is off. We're gonna turn the key to accessory, now starting the engine. We're gonna push down on this pedal, and we're gonna go look at to see if the throttle opened, okay? Let's see if the throttle opened. Yep, look at that. Throttle will stay open for you right there once you do that on this particular truck. So we want to clean everything here, the board, everything around it, the dirt and filth. If it works out good, if not, we can't do much about it. Then we need to go further. It could be the fuel pressure itself. It could be a lot of other things. So these are just the basics, okay? So what I'm gonna do here is we're gonna take a throttle body cleaner. I don't have a lot left, and I am gonna just take a simple. Originally I grabbed this, but then I have one full bottle here, and I got a mass airflow sensor cleaner, but this is pretty good right here. I don't want to spray this directly in there. So what I want to do here is, the truck is really high. I'm going to try to get higher and see if I can get a better look at it. It's okay for that thing to be there. Okay, I just got on something higher, so we can go in there and take a look. What we're going to do here. Okay, I'm not going to be able to record this guy because I can't even hold my camera. So what you want to do here is, I got throttle body cleaning services on these other cars, same thing. Spray this here, and what you want to do is, you want to clean out right where the throttle body is meet. See all that gunk? So wherever it meets on the corners, after that, if you feel that it has worked out for you, that would have been a good fix. Anyways, I'm gonna clean this baby. Whew. Yeah, I'm up in here. Anyways, I'm gonna continue doing this. So look at all that gunk just for one little swap. Well, I didn't even get a good touch with just one layer. Anyways, let me finish this baby out. So I did quite a bit of cleaning in there, and check this out. All this rag is full of it. All this is full of it. So I did quite a bit of cleaning, and it's a little tough. So let's see what kind of difference it makes. I do want to clean the math airflow sensor. At the same time, I don't want to clean it, so we can at least get good performance of what happened here after we did just the throttle body cleaning. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna put this baby back in, and after that we will make the move on the throttle body. Okay, so let's get this baby onto this. Make sure your throttle, the neck on the throttle is pretty good. No vacuum leak should occur there. Okay, there you go. That looks good. So we're gonna put 2 bolts in here, 2 on the opposite side. Okay, we need 2 bolts on this side. Okay, the problem here is I'm gonna have to move. Let's finish out everything on this side, because I'm gonna have to move my boxes that I'm stepping on. And where's the harness? Okay, this is the harness. I can put that at the end if it works out. Put this baby in. We can put this harness as well. We're gonna go to the other side. Okay, do not forget the mass airflow sensor connector. Okay, do not forget this guy here. Put this in, make sure it doesn't come out. Click this back in. So, I also want to put this pipe in. I don't want to put the 10mm on this yet. Okay, that will not matter yet. So we're gonna put this baby on.